Welcome back to another day. Life with Cam, your boy Life with Cam. So, we gotta get out of this room, finally. You know, it was moving a little slower. We gotta get out of here today. A spear. Lights on there. A lot. Now you can kind of see the size of it. Oh, we need to get on that Ferris wheel, but I ain't seen that thing turn all day. Come on. I don't know what kind of design that is right there. That thing from a long ways away too. Long ways away.
Here's the smiling face. Look at that, you captured the smiling face.
Oh, the smiling face said, oh. Oh my. Oh my, what a wonderful sky. Alright, that's the spear, so. This looks familiar right here. This road right here. You know what? This looks very west. Wind, LV. So we know that belongs to the wind. Las Vegas, Phantom of the Opera. In the back of it looked like them little cab cars in London. Just sitting at it looking from the back. Cause they actually got a high roof. Like you look at that car, look at this truck roof. That Rolls Royce roof just high as that truck roof. This is a Toyota Tacoma. About high as the Toyota Tacoma roof. That probably one of their VIPs. That's where you come from, the wind. That hotel right there. They got two buildings. What other building there? The old Trump Towers. screens. I don't see no rides moving on top of the stratosphere.
Afrojack.
This Friday. Well, he is a chef or comedian?
I think music.
Music.
Oh look, baby, is that the ones you can rent or something?
Yeah, let's go rent one. Or two. Yeah. Let's go over there. Let's go rent one. It's your birthday. Come on, we got it. YOLO. Come on. We'll go run around again. Birthday girl. She can ride down. With her beat down low. Her top lit back.
Fountain Blue.
They ain't like the Fountain Blue that we thought though.
Las Vegas.
Convention Center. Yeah, that Fountain Blue. You type, I think we should do this.
Resort World Circus.
McDonald's. It's an actual circus.
Oh shit, McDonald's where you go?
Nah, it's too late then. I'm talking to them.
Don't worry, I'm gonna get you something.
Nah, yeah. No, let's go. So, we close to the Strat. Just Strat. Well, so people jump out that thing. A long ways up there.
Little chap. It's supposed to be Hoover's first name.
They open too. Oh, somebody must have came down. See them ropes going back up? Somebody must have just came down. Shit. I'll probably pee on myself. Well, who are? Well, they over here going in a circle. What he doing here on the phone? You say he tweaking out. Carl's Jr., you know, I hear they got Carl's Jr.
It's right there.
Yeah, they don't have Hardee's.
Same people.
Right.
City of Las Vegas. Okay.
It's the city. Oh, that's Pawn Stars. The show to be on TV, A&E Pawn Stars. That's it. Cannabis Stars. Why like some of the dispensaries look nicer than some of the regular places? Oh yes, that's supposed to be like the sign that looks like the Beverly Hills sign. They getting married. They getting married. They about to say I do. So we started at this stuff. Somebody got hit by a car. I think 2 times. This gray car here, you can see it's all bust up. And this just had to happen. Like, we went in the store. Time we came to the front to the restaurant, the ambulance and stuff was up here. So it had to just happen. They got a 5 guys over there. A Subway. So I'm guessing that white truck right there, you can see the tail end of it. Its axle broke, so something hit that from the side. You can look at the back wheel. Something caught that truck from the side. But there Hey, this is the second time I met my cousin out here. We met him in Florida. Come out to Vegas, met him in Vegas. We 2 for 2. Man, he said a little white Hyundai. Something caught it on the side, hit it. Oh, that car got hit too, huh? About 3 cars got bust up. Hold on, was it the dude with the buggy? That's the stuff right there. Wasn't it the dude pushing the... I think it was the dude that was pushing that buggy earlier. The MGM. Got our Allegiance. The Allegiance Stadium. Took the Raiders from Cali and brought them to Vegas. Stop to see this scenic overlook. Let's see what we see up here. You see a big mountain right there. Oh, mountain over there. That thing way up there. Lake Mead Reservoir. Lake Mead began filling in 1935 while the Hoover Dam was under construction. So they filled Lake Mead to hold the water back, probably. There's a lot of water out there. Yeah, he loaded, boy. He probably do about 30. See? Look at them bikes. Yep, that could be us. Sometime this week, yeah. It's calling 99. Ain't that right? Yep, they on them new ones too. Whatever that black on the new one. Yep, calling 99. I said, oh, I seen him pick up going slow over there. I was like, damn, why he going slow? He pulling off. So we headed to the... You'll see when we get there. That's what we headed to. You'll see when we get there. As you see, we going up. We going up. We about to do the wee woo for the next 2 miles. Well, imagine them linemen. I get there, run all them power lines, change them out, service that stuff, boy. Whew. They got all these things on top of the mountain. Security checkpoint ahead. Well, you better not come through here with no camera. Big camera. You might have a little time on your hands. Well, you can see the highway back through there. Welcome to the Hoover Dam. So it's gonna be first time at the Hoover Dam. Seen it on TV, never been to it. I'm guessing if you're still on the highway, you're gonna go across the top of it. I ain't sure, but I never been to it, so it's the first time for me. Cause we all about new adventures, new things. Oh, we got a hike. I see steps.
Right there.
Yeah.
Hoover Dam. Bridge scenic view.
You wanna go see the bridge scenic view? That's across the top, ain't it?
Hoover Dam first,
Okay.
and then come back to see what that's.
Oh, yeah, they got a bus up in there. There's probably quite a few people up in there. There's probably water on the other side of that. All that daylight you see. Well, that's where they power come from. That's where they power come from.
Welcome to Nevada.
Oh, I wish we would have stopped there. No, man, don't worry. I ain't say nothing. Don't worry.
On our way back.
Hopefully they got one up here.
The bathroom. No, yeah, we need to stop at the bathroom for you.
Boy, that's a big arch right there. Look at the people up there. Oh, that's where they at. We going down low. That might be down low, down low. I guarantee you done had somebody done walk that arch. I guarantee you done had somebody climb up that arch. It wasn't supposed to be up there. Done base jumped or something. But this is the Hoover. It's the Hoover Dam.
Parking spaces available. $10 for cars.
This is how they repair a dam. Man, look at these things. Boy, they got these things on the side of the mountain at an angle. Shit, them wires going straight down. Boy, I wonder how far it go down. They going straight down. You can't see down. I guess this is one of their little museums or something.
So you park in that garage and then you walk over here?
I guess so.
Visitor Center, Hoover Dam Tourist. Parking garage. Oh look Kevin.
Yeah, the kitchen will come back up. You have to walk. You have to walk the dam.
Parking, RV parking. Oh, these are big little restrooms. Hoover Dam Spillway House.
A lot of time.
People walking on the stairs. Why are they not watching them okay?
So hopefully we can find somewhere to park so we can get out and get a little scenery. Welcome to Arizona. Grand Canyon State welcome you. Somebody rode their bikes out here.
Parking lot 11.
Look right there. Between that Chrysler and that Jeep. Good look. That's what we're looking at here. Stop. Oh, I guess this is where the water come in at. We got to walk up that hill to see where the water come in at. It look bigger when you see pictures and stuff. This part a little bigger because you always see them little 4 little towers on pictures. But I guess you can see the different water levels on the rock where it's white at, and then you can see where the water used to be at. Keep off wall, yeah. Because if you fall down that son of a gun, they're gonna have to repair your butt back out there. I don't know what that is. to repair you, but
The dam never moves, right?
yeah, this one, no, they got spillways.
They have what?
Spillways.
What's that?
We based them on that side. Where they release the water.
Oh, okay.
This ain't the dam like your traditional that you see. They open the spillways there. I think there should be some pipes on either side over there. That the water will come out from under. It should be some other pipes up there. Cause what they did, from what I seen when they built it, they had to divert the water to build this.
Mm-hmm.
And so they did 2 pipes on either side for the water to go through.
Mm-hmm.
So they diverted the water so they can build it. Then after they did it, they put the water back. But then they use those tunnels to release the water. Now, just walk up here and you can probably see it. And you can see where the water level, where it's white at. That's where the water level was one time. So it's low right now. You know, go up here to see around this curve. They say they probably don't want nothing to go past that gate. Cause you probably get sucked in them darn turbines down there. There's probably some kind of current. So you go throw a penny, you gonna make a wish? And you gonna make a wish? See, they got boats up here. They stop them right there. See the boat? Mm-hmm. How quiet it is. You can see how the water run down off the mountains into the water whenever they do get rain. It's crazy what the water do to the rocks, the colors. I can imagine when that water was that high. Boy, that's a lot of water. That is a lot of water. You can almost see the other side of the dam on this one. We steady going up. Going up. You can see a little bit of the other side of the dam. And the highway right up there. On top of the hill right there. I wonder where this water washed to, down in this little bowl here.
You see water down there?
So this thing here look like if something happened to the dam, they can't get the water to come out. If it start overflowing, so go ahead and look how big that hole is down there. I wonder where that go. Big hole.
मेरे को याद मेरे को मैंने इससे पूछा तो दे दिया होगा मेरे को याद नहीं रहा क्योंकि वरना मैंने सोचा कि आज सुबह मैं होटल को जगह
Can you see that from the man, the volume of that thing, like what how many gallons of water get down through there? They prepared for the worst though. If they can't get that water out for some reason, whoo, that's a long ways down.
See how they put the slabs up?
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, slabs of concrete. You probably had somebody that done figure out how to get down there. I bet somebody went down that hole. And they might not live to talk about it. So we actually go walk across the dam. Out there.
Not all the way out there, no.
Yeah, I know you can't go all the way. all to the other side here. Oh boy, yeah, that's the spillways over there. There should be another set on this side. That's where the water come out at when they release water. Boy, that is a lot of concrete. Imagine when somebody got to climb that wall to fix that concrete. But that's how them lines go. Them things go straight down. I guess that's the way the power in that plant right there. I guess it was just power. Boy, them cars, when we were tunnel, them cars went through to get down there. That's a long way. Yeah, he just throws them cars down there. He probably went through that one tunnel right there. One of them tunnels. But yeah, those are the, I want to say those are the spillways right there when they release water. I think it might be one or two right here. Well, that's a long way down, Dash. Sheesh. And then you see the doors where they come out on the, oh, you're still sneaky self.
I didn't see it.
Me neither. You ain't got another one?
I do.
Huh?
Here. I know you can see it.
I see it. I lost sight of it.
I did too.
You can hear it though. Huh? You need to flick one off so it hit the water. That's what we need to hit the water.
Well, we left the piece of line.
Yeah.
You did.
We need to hit the water. So we got the Arizona side. And then we got the Nevada side. So the state line is split by the water. You should be able to get us a good seat. Should be able to see a lot right there. They rented their camper, see? They say, hey, we're gonna get this show on the road early. We're gonna go rent one and take it on the road. Show what he did. See? Cruise America. Oh, they got two spillways. That's the other one right there. So that hole on the other side, that water might come out there. But you can see how the water rushing out from this plant over here on the side.
So inside this wall is probably some business going on.
That's where the what's the name of that? Turbines. For the water, it's stuck. I want to say it's stuck in them 4 towers behind us, and then it's going down to the turbines and they spinning. And then, you know, as it's spinning, it got to release it somewhere. And I want to say, see that concrete over there? That square part? That's another spillway because it points that way. So you already know they can't let the water get higher than that level it is right there. Because if it get too high and then they release too much at one time, so they're going to flood something.
When they have movies, and in the movies when they be showing like the Hoover Dam, just personal water just comes.
That'd be a computer generated. A lot of stuff is probably like green screen.
You need to go over some more, or is it?
Yeah, go one more. Let's see around the curve. So we can see around that curve and see what else we can see down there. So now you kind of see down here around that curve a little bit. Hoover Dam. Named in honor of Herbert Clark Hoover, 31st President of the United States. Boy, that water look green and So, it's the last video. You gonna get this down. There you go. So that's gonna wrap the vlog for today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, click that bell. That bell lets you know every time I post. Till then, we out. I'll give you a picture right there of the Hoover Dam. So we was on that side. We walked across. So well, that's a long ways down there. You watch the vlog, you see the this bridge I'm standing on. We was all the way down there at the bottom.